Welcome to the GREYATOM YouTube channel. Here you'll get everything from a webinar, student diary, data science Fridays where your questions are answered. Basically everything that you need to get yourself upskilled in data sciences. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, have a look at the videos, and if you find something interesting, don't forget to like it. Follow us socially and we will be there always serving you the best. Hello guys, my name is Mayuresh. I am the co-founder of GREYATOM. I am going to give you exactly 2 reasons why you should be watching this video end to end, and I'm going to take 3 minutes of your time. That's it. First, I'm going to show you what is the impact that GREYATOM has created. I'm actually going to show you people who have benefited from GREYATOM has to offer, and that is about upskilling themselves and having career pivoting outcomes. We believe our success is the success of our students, which is them getting job. So I'm going to show you some of our students. Simple, that's part A. Part B, why do people succeed? The reason number 1 and the reason number 2. That's all. That's what we're here to see in this particular video. It's all right here in front of you. Let's quickly get started. I encourage you to go to our website to greyatom.com/success stories, and you should be able to find a lot of them. There are a few videos. Please watch them. I mean, these are very nicely choreographed. Most importantly, these are people who are telling their story as raw as it can be. So here is Priyavrat, there is Jasraj, there is Trupti that we just saw, Abhini, Shraddha, and lots of them. And this is just some of the people whom we have put on our website. This is not the entire list. But Biraj, Darshan, Aizen, Aishwarya, Nikita, Ritika, Pavan, Prasad, Sagar, Ronak. Lots of them. Sejal, Avinash, Dheeraj. People where they were and where they made the transition, it's all completely over here. You will find someone just like you. If you're a fresher, if you're an experienced professional, if you've had tons of experience in the industry, we have them, we have worked with them. It's right here. Please have a look. Great. I think that's just one part. Let's just quickly have a look at some of these things where people also, say things about GREYATOM on the web, and we have just taken some screenshots. This is just to help you understand, I think this does make a difference. Screenshotted it and just kept it for your reference. But we have made that difference in people's life. And these are just thankful learners, mentors who have kind of come back to us. That's it. People taking selfies from their new workplaces and posting it on social media. It's as real and raw as it can get. These have been taken at different points in time. Please, that's just out there for you to verify. Go and search for GREYATOM and you will find some of these answers. Go to our YouTube channel. You will find the student diaries. You will find how and why people have made these transitions. What backgrounds have they come from? How GREYATOM has helped each one of them in each of those unique cases. Absolutely important. Please have a look at it. And there are truckloads of them. And this is again an indicative. I can actually open up our old website, and I think there are so many of them over there. You can have a look at them, each of those testimonials, and why and how in those unique, special, personal ways GREYATOM has made that difference. Awesome. That's it. We have made a difference in people's life. How? Reason number 1 is we have worked with the mentors. We work with people who are absolutely the best in the industry, and these are practitioners. These are people who are data scientists. This is exactly what you want to become, and these are like the cream from the industry. They have experience, they have the expertise. Most importantly, they have the passion to teach. They have the necessary facilitation skills to impart knowledge, whether they are covering something like concept onboarding, or even if they are doing some sort of code along or project solving or career session, they will make an impact by observing them, by seeing them make projects, build out solutions, solve real world problems, it will make an impact in your life. So lots of them. I encourage you to go to greyatom.com/mentors. Have a look at them. Absolutely, it's there. The second and the most important reason, and I will take maybe just a little bit more time over here, is the GREYATOM learning platform. This is where your learning is totally, completely, 100% centered. So right here, you have the program, and with this program, you have the whole structured curriculum. Everything is 100% iterated for last 4 years. This is what you're seeing is absolutely clean content, custom built by GREYATOM with the help of industry, academia, and our students and their feedback. Everything is totally and completely over here. You will be able to consume content which is video based, which is practice based, where you will be actually be able to go and solve things. You will be able to read and build out your theoretical concepts. You will be able to build your visual intuition, and most importantly, you will be able to build out your projects. So here we see the video based content, the text based content, depending on how you want to pick up the visual intuition that you build. Most importantly, how you practice, and this is a platform that will make you practice. You learn how to cycle by cycling, you learn how to program by programming, and you become a data scientist by solving, by practicing, by solving first these small assignments which you're seeing on your screen right now, and then finally and most importantly, you also take up larger puzzles, larger challenges, larger assignments that we also see over here. Guys, everything is kind of completely embedded in this particular platform. So whether it is the projects, whether it is the content, absolutely. This is, my dear friend, the recipe. You have the mentors. You have the structured curriculum. You have practice centricity. And you have the projects that you build out for yourself. So when you sit across that interview table with your prospective recruiter, you come across as someone who has made a difference. And everything is in this particular platform. Mentors, here they are. This is the session that is going to be conducted. This is the Zoom link for this particular session. Everything is right here. So that's exactly why you should start your data science career journey with GREYATOM. And the best place to start is the 5-day data science workshop. Click here, register now. Awesome, congratulations. Thank you so much for watching this video end to end. On this particular channel, you will find everything that it takes to upskill you to become a data scientist. We have the 100% proven recipe. Check out the goodies over here, the workshops, the programs, and there's a number right here. Feel free to call me and I'll be very happy to help you with your journey in upskilling yourself and becoming a data scientist. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. Just make sure that if you like this particular video, don't forget to like it and follow us socially. I'll be there helping you out with how to make that transition happen for you.
Log on to GREYATOM's learning platform to unlock more content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.